It's Ethan and it's Tutoy and
it's Tuto and Nene.
And Nene. Okay, we're
and
going
Mama
to
too. Because it's Lisa's black.
vlog. Okay guys, this is us again. Today it's a little bit of a lazy day and we thought of making, what are we gonna make guys?
Kanji.
Congee. It's Mama's congee, right? Okay, so it's really
Also Nene's kanji and Papa's kanji and my kanji. We're going to make it out of rice.
Oh, okay, so Ethan is telling the ingredients already. Okay, wait, Tutoy, okay? So we're going to make the congee as Ethan said. It's something that I make for them whenever, you know, they are so tired of eating regular food kind of thing. So we don't really make congee all the time.
Yeah.
So disclaimer, I'm not good at cooking this one, but this is just sharing you guys my recipe and how I make this in my house, okay? So the first ingredient is the rice. Okay, the rice we already, so it's a normal rice. So we already washed this and
I know it's so swell.
okay, wait Tutoy, wait. So with the rice, the thing with the rice is you have to wash it and soaked for a few hours if you want it to explode fast. Okay, and then Ethan said we have shrimp. So this, okay, so I think this is half kilo of shrimp. Okay, so we have, of course, chicken. We have lots of chicken
because chicken is how you make kanji.
Okay, and then to saute, we have a lot of onions because we love onion. Oh, there. We love onion. And then we have some garlic too.
And we have some egg.
Okay, but we have some boiled egg.
And also, eggs have yellow things inside. And how many you want to put.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
And we also got celery because we love celery, right, Tutoy? Right, Nene?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're almost done with the ingredients.
We have this.
Yeah, we say that is garlic.
We have this is garlic, and also
We already chopped it.
we already chopped it.
Oh, okay. And we also have salt.
Salt.
Okay, however you wanna, how much you wanna put. So I'm not gonna put the measurement.
And we have
The pepper.
the pepper.
And this is optional also, only if you guys want to put. Some people likes it bland, but of course, like for Filipino, we kind of like it something, you know, more tasty kind of thing. So yeah, so I have more chicken broth. Okay, so let's start cooking. So again, I'm going to show you all the
chicken.
yeah.
With
Today we already put the chicken. Egg.
Yeah.
Shrimp. Rice, soaked rice. Celery. Onion. Garlic. And some salt.
And some salt, pepper.
Pepper. And nor for the broth.
Not for the butt.
And we almost forgot the chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, guys. So let's start. Okay, so we put some.
Can I put that?
Do Tutoy. We can put some oil. Okay, so I'll just put some oil.
Can I see the oil?
Okay, here. Stay here. Okay, guys, be careful. Okay. Here. Okay. Wait. Okay, Nini too.
Ah.
Okay. And Nini too.
Ooh.
Okay, careful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can,
Here, Nini.
can we go back, Mama?
Can we get? Okay, so I'm gonna put the onion and when is it hot? Okay, it's hot.
Can I put it?
Okay, but you're too far.
Can you lift me?
Okay, here you go. Okay,
Okay.
careful. Nini, huwag ka na ha. Ha, anak? Okay. You have to saute the chicken a little bit long. So at this time, I want to put salt already for the chicken.
Can I put
No, ako na. So then the chicken have its own taste. Okay? So, ito tayo, we have to leave it cooking for, a while.
Yeah.
Okay?
Let's have a bar now. You forgot some ingredients.
No, anak. We have to cook it for a bit, okay?
No.
Okay, so now that the chicken is ready, I have to cook the chicken. We have to put, we can put the shrimp, okay?
Can
The
I
shrimp.
put the shrimp?
Okay, the shrimp.
Okay.
Put the shrimp. Okay. Oh, careful, Ethan.
Ow.
You hurt?
Yeah. Oh. Ow.
Where?
The baby thing. Come on, okay.
Now that the celery is a little bit cooked, we can now put the rice. And this time, after we put the rice, what are we gonna do, guys? We are going to wait.
Wait.
Yeah, we're gonna wait.
We're going wait again.
We're gonna wait because this won't take long. So right, guys, you see? Can you guys see? We just put the rice, and then this is the time that we actually have to cook more. So I actually made a soup, like a broth. So we're going to put a broth into this congee recipe, okay?
Yeah.
So it has a taste. So it's right here. Okay? Right there. We're just gonna pour in all of the broth. So that is from the real chicken broth. Okay?
Mama, it tastes a little bit. I guess it tastes a little bit more different.
No. And then this time we're now gonna put some salt. Right, guys? You can put the pepper, anak, okay? We're gonna put the pepper. Our family love pepper because we love some spicy. Okay? Kuya, go. Be careful. Nini, you... Oh, careful, Kuya. Okay, go. Okay, more, Kuya, more. That's it. Okay, Nini, huwag na ikaw, ha? Baka malaglag ka. Kuya, be careful. And then, we are going to put a little bit of the chickenor because we used the real chicken broth, so we don't need much of it. So like only just to taste. So then this much, not even half of the tablespoon. Just a very small, yeah. Okay, that's it. And now we have to wait till it's boiled and it's boiled until the rice explode. Okay, guys?
But it will explode there.
Not explode like that, Tutoy. Explode like inside of the pan. I mean, when the grain of the rice become big, then that's when we know we're ready. It's ready. The congee is ready.
Like pop.
Yeah.
Pop.
So if it's not enough, if you guys think that it's not enough broth, you can add some water, like just the water. So I'm adding a little water because I know that the rice will take all the water.
Mama, the shrimp.
Oh, yeah, I know. Leave the shrimp for it a taste. Okay?
It's showing its tail.
Yeah. Okay, so from then on, guys, we're gonna leave it for a few minutes until it boils and until the rice become very, very soft and explode. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
All right.
And then we have to put some egg.
Yeah. Okay, and for the meantime, maybe we can make some vegetable. Okay? All right. Okay, so there you go, guys. We'll be back.
Can I kiss you?
Of course you can kiss me. Oh, yeah.
I can't with you.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let's wait till this one is ready, and then we just make some vegetable. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Nene. Okay. All right. Okay.
I made them.
Okay. Let's go make some vegetable. Okay. Nene. Okay. Okay.
But how?
Okay. So let's check. This is still boiling in a low heat. It seems like it's almost ready. So if you guys see the rice is like this saggy, it means that it's almost ready. But it's up to you whether you want to cook it more. But my family, we like it only this. The rice is not too, too saggy and too soft. So this is almost done. Okay, so at this point, you can just put back the shrimp. Okay. And of course, taste it if it's good. And then that's it. That's basically it. Okay, so let's see. Let me ask these little babies if it's a fail or a pass. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is my finished product. It's very, very simple. It's so good for any weather, I would say. But of course, mostly in cold weather, or you know, any weather, I would say. Okay, so the cooked one. Okay, let's see if they're going to like it.
And they say yes.
How was it?
How was it? Done.
Good. How about Kuya?
Okay.
Okay. Is it good or very good or the best?
The best.
Ah, that's nice. Are you sure?
I want more.
Okay. Vegetable and your egg. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys liked our video, even though we are very unorganized. So this is it. Till next time.